Let's learn how to change YouTube video quality. If you no longer want to watch videos in very low quality, but don't know how to change the video quality, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do this. The first thing you need to do is find and open the YouTube app on your phone or computer. When you've opened YouTube, you'll be on the home page, but you don't need to be on that page now. You need to find the video you want to watch and increase its quality. When you've found the video, enter it by clicking on it. Once you're in, you'll have a lot of options that are not necessary for this tutorial. For this tutorial, you need to click on the settings icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. After clicking on that icon, a menu with 5 options will open. Out of those 5 options, you need to click on the first one, which is quality. Once you've clicked on that option, there will be 4 options in that menu. Out of those 4 options, the first option, auto, is currently selected, but you need to click on the last option, which is advanced. Once you've clicked on that option, a menu with options will open. These options determine the video quality you want. If you want the best quality, then select the first option. If you want a medium quality, then select 480p. However, changing the quality for one video does not mean it will be the same for all videos you watch. You have to change it separately for each video you watch. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.